Ah, my neck hurts so bad, I just want to... I'm Dr. Bentley, and I'm going to explain why that's probably not the best idea. When you're adjusting your own neck, you're actually only moving the segments above and below the fixed segment in the middle that's actually stuck, giving you those issues. Not only that, but you're also making those joints around those bones a lot more mobile, causing you more and more issues down the line. Now, if you're having this neck pain, come on down to Lowe Chiropractic, give us a call, get an exam, get a plan, and get the results you're looking for.